Welcome to my channel, everyone, and in this video I am going to unbox a Shopee haul. So naisip ko kasi because I've been making a few purchases on Shopee, mostly due to quarantine, and I'm such a budgetarian in the sense of magastos pero within the budget at the same time. So gusto ko lang i-share sa mga tao kung ano yung nabibili ko, because I really like to compare prices. I really like to read the reviews, take time to read before I actually purchase anything. And to make it easier for you, I just want to go ahead and showcase those na nabili ko, and then let's include then yung mga sellers as well if they are okay as well when it comes to, again, handling your purchases. Ayan. So, if you want to see more of what my haul is for this Shopee haul, then please stay tuned to this video. Ayan, welcome po sa aking channel. So, I'm calling this channel the Unboxing Pinay only because number one, I'm a Pinay. Number two, because I really love to make unboxing videos. So, I may have, like mga konting reviews in between, but most of what this channel is going to be about is about unboxing yung mga pinapurchase ko online, and most of them are of course not sponsored. So today may dumating na 4 na packages that I ordered from Shopee, at these are again mga things that I have to battle with na kailangan ko ba, hindi ko ba kailangan, and I'm very excited kasi this is something that I really want, and the other one is actually for a gift from my brother. Ayan, so I have 4 packages, so this is 2, hindi ko kaya yata sa isang kamay. 3, yeah, let's put that aside here. And this one, 4, ayan. So I realized after, making a few purchases on Shopee na I've been choosing JT&T more versus the other shippers. That's because they do deliver even on Sundays. Plus, medyo mabilis sila kasi meron dito JT&T office na malapit sa amin. Ayun. And, I know that there was a fiasco about how they handled packages after, but honestly, I think that there was a lot of learning from that, and now, I have not experienced it. I received a package from JT&T na medyo, gutay-gutay, or let's say na hindi maayos. So, kudos to JT&T for being able to deliver packages in one piece. Lalo na ito, kasi ito, as you can see, there's a sticker that says fragile, right? So that means that, of course, pwede siya mabasan if mishandled. So, dito matatest din natin, at sana hindi ako mapahiya na maayos na mag-deliver ang JT&T ngayon. So, ayun. Let's go ahead and start with unboxing these packages. So, which one do we go first? Let's do this one first. Ito. Because I'm really bad when it comes to prices, I'm gonna have a kodigo habang tinitingnan natin kung ano yung po yung laman. And I really made sure not to open any of these until that I get to do this video. Okay, so for this first package, I'm very surprised nasa labas ko ano yung order. This is, these are stevia packets that I purchased. It's actually for my husband because he's quite on a diet right now, and I also want to limit my sugar. So we bought sweetener na ito that we could use in our daily coffee. Ayan. So I ordered it from the seller, and all of the seller links and the product links I will make sure to put in the description box below in case that you're interested also to purchase. Ayan. So kung kayo ay nagmamanage ng sugar ninyo, kung kayo ay gustong again magbawas ng mga sugar intake nyo, then my husband said it's really good to go ahead and use stevia. So this is the first packet, and I'm very impressed with how much bubble wrap it is, even though alam natin na hindi naman babasagin yung laman. Ayan. Kaya napaka-friendly talaga na meron kang scissors around. So let's go ahead and open it. And I can tell you, super bilis ng delivery nito. I believe that I purchased this the other day lang, and then it's here na. So, I'm really happy kasi nga, I wanted to try out yung stevia, and also for my husband so that pwede siya magkape nang hindi masyadong mapait. Ayan. Let's go ahead and open this out. So, after the bubble wrap, it's now nakabalot siya sa paper. Ayan. And then, in the product. Okay, I have to say I really like the way that it's packaged because it's sealed. So I'm very impressed, and this is 100 pieces. And for the stevia, I bought 100 packets and it was 230 lang for 100 packets already. Ayan. So ito siya. Okay, those are the stevia packets. Okay, yan. It's an organic natural sweetener. So I'm very happy. I don't see that nabasa siya. It looks really good right now. I'm really happy with the outcome and the delivery of this product. Okay, so we're down with one. Let's go to the next. Okay, so let's go to this next item. Natutuwa talaga ako kasi fragile. As you can see, there is a sticker. Napaka-caring nung seller. These purchases are all from Metro Manila. All of the purchases that I've gotten from today. I do order from the China stores as well, but I try to limit as much as possible, especially kung meron namang available sa atin at konti lang naman yung difference. Number one, mas gusto ko yung packaging that ginagawa ng mga local sellers nila. May care talaga. Like for instance, having this fragile sticker on your package really helps remind again the delivery guys that they need to take care of your parcel. So, you know, pag galing talaga doon sa China, hindi sila yun. Ayun. So, nararanasan ko na minsan, alam mo yun, although nakapack, pero hindi siya naalagaan masyado. So, that's why I would order still, preferably from the sellers that are here in the Philippines. Ayan. So, ito, it will make sense later kung bakit ako nagbibili ng sweetener, bakit ako nagbibili ng ganito. And this is actually coffee mate. Pero hindi yun siya, so sasabihin nyo, bakit ako mo-order ng coffee mate from Shopee? Hindi ka ba pwede mag-grocery na lang, diba? Kasi meron naman sa grocery store. The reason why I'm ordering coffee mate is because gusto ko yung liquid version. Ayoko ng powdered version. Kasi, for some people, it actually does cause constipation. Sorry for the TMI. Ayan. So, this is the liquid version. Grabe yung pagkakabalo naman ng package na ito. Panalo talaga, ha? It's like very taken care of. So, ayan. This is how it looks like. It's coming from the bubble wrap. And now we're going to open it and see what the inside looks like. Right? Are you excited? I'm excited! Okay. So, pagkabukas pa lang niya, ganyan na siya, may cover. Let's do this together. And then there's another again bubble wrap. And then, here they are. Okay. So, all together, I ordered 10 pieces. Ayan. So, for the 10 pieces nito, it is 80 pesos para sa 10 piraso ng creamer. And this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, can you see it? Ayun. So that's how the coffee mate looks like na cream. And I prefer creamer in my coffee. I don't know. I think it makes it, you know, a little more delicious. Ayan. So, ayan po. This is what I bought for myself kasi yung husband ko naman, hindi naman siya nag-creamer at sa kanyang coffee. Right? So, that's package number 2. Let's move on to package number 3. Alright. Another small package then. So, ito, actually, it's not for me. Well, it's kind of for me kasi ako yung gagawa. But, at the end, kapag tapos na siya, ibibigay ko siya sa aking brother. So, usong-uso ngayon, for your sanity, yung paint by numbers. Ayan. So, the other time that my brother and I were on a video call, so sabi niya sa akin, he was fixing up kasi yung kanyang condo. Sabi niya, I kind of want to have like a painting dito. So sabi ko sa kanya, I can do that for you. Ayan, kakaloka, di ba? Like, take on na naman ako another task. But, you know, what would you not do for your brother, di ba? So, ito. It's packaged like this out of the JT&T packet. So, nakaganyan siya. Ayan. And I'm hoping that it's the correct one. So, this one came all the way from Bulacan. Yes, the seller was from Bulacan. I was going to order this from one of the China stores, but it didn't have the design that my brother chose. And I didn't really want to choose this because I also felt that for the background ng kanyang condo, that this would be the best one that would suit him. So, ganito yung itsura ng paint by numbers niya. Ayan. So, bakit yan? Kasi we were born in the UK. So, this just really reminds us again of the UK, you know, and bago ulan, a very peaceful night, and of course, I think this is the Tower bundle. I'm not so sure. I have to take another look at it. So, from this seller, nabili ko siya for 285. And 285 po. And, yep, that's the total price. And let me just see if kompleto. Kasi syempre dapat may kasama siyang paint, diba? And then, ang naging challenge ko lang pala is just the wooden frame. Wala siyang kasama wooden frame. So, I would have to buy na lang. So, let's take it out of the plastic. Okay, so it comes with this, right? This is yung parang yung susundan mo na photo, so you know what you're going to, and you can do a comparison while you're doing the paint by numbers, right? And then this is a canvas. And here is the paint, and it comes with 3 brushes. Not bad, kasi may 3 different brushes na kasama siya. May malapad, may sobrang nipis, at merong yung manipis lang. And there's all of the, again, of the acrylic paints na kasama siya. Ayan. And of course, this is now the canvas. So, oh, I love the size. And it does look so nice. So this is a canvas that will be the soon-to-be painting on my brother's wall. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung siya magpapa-frame or whatnot. Okay, so that's, again, our package number 2. I really liked it, actually. I think it's suited for the 278, definitely. Especially with the brushes. And again, yung tinutulaan na photo, because it's a glossy photo. It's not a paper photo. So it's not even going to get wet while you are working on your masterpiece. Ayan. So that's already package number 3. Let's go now to package number 4. And now we move on to the 4th package and the last one, and I'm pretty excited. So, may backstory to. So, for Christmas, one of the supervisors that I manage gave me a coffee press. Ayan. So, unfortunately, I can't drink yung hindi decaf na coffee because my stomach doesn't agree with it and I palpitate. So, ayun. I would make the coffee for my husband and he would drink it. And, you know, nakikiamoy na lang ako sa brewed coffee because I really love the smell. I'm such a coffee lover. But ironically, I can't have caffeine. So, ayun. So, I really wanted like super hot coffee. Yung talaga favorite ko. I don't like lukewarm coffee. And I was battling with myself if dapat bibili ako ng cup warmer. So instead, I bought this, which I think is perfect for my husband and I. Yan. So, this is a personal coffee maker. Bakit siya personal? Kasi pang 1 cup lang siya. Kasi my husband and I can't have the same coffee. So, he's going to have like a strong brewed coffee. And I am going to have a decaf brewed coffee. Yan. So, as you can see from the package, naka-bubble wrap siya. 1 layer lang. So, let's see if buo yung kahon. Let's see if maayos din yung product sa loob, right? So, 1 layer of bubble wrap lang. Pero meron naman siyang nakalagay na flashlight. So far, if we look at the box, I am seeing a few dents here, which I'm sure is due to handling. There's also dents here. And there's also dents at the bottom here. So, I can tell it's either napatungan siya or whatnot, but definitely hindi naman nahagis kasi aside from the corner dents, wala naman sa mismong box. So I bought this Westinghouse personal coffee maker. Ayan. And it is for 0.42 liters of coffee when you make it. So let's buksan na lang natin. At kung gusto niyo na po ng hiwalay na review for this and for me to showcase this, then just let me know in the comments below. Ayan po. Para pwede ko kayo bigyan ng review. Kasi syempre at this time, hindi ko siya matetest for you. Alright, so let's unbox this wonderful personal coffee maker. The sad thought though is that the coffee grounds that I ordered are not here yet. Although sabay-sabay ko silang in-order. But hopefully tomorrow para makatikim naman tayong coffee. Ayan. Okay, so out of the box, here it is. This is what the coffee maker looks like. Okay, so in the box, we have the unit. And this is, let me just see what it is. I think this is an instruction. It is. It's an instruction pamphlet. And then there's another piece of paper, which is actually the warranty card. Ayan, the warranty card is included. And the warranty is in Paco, Manila, Philippines. Ayan. Okay. That's quite far from here though, because like we're just really in Quezon City and we're not in Manila. So there is no foam in the box. In rekta na siya na box lang talaga. And then plastic na kaagad siya. So this is what the coffee maker looks like, and it's a single serve coffee maker. It comes with this cup, which is a stainless steel cup. Now I heard some of the reviews that the rubber will come off. I'm hoping it's not. And look, it has a cover. Kasi nakita ko dun sa isang nag-review dun sa store, wala daw cover. So it's made of plastic inside, and then outside it's a stainless steel cup. The usual ones that you would have if you were, again, a BPO worker and getting your coffee from the free coffee machine. And ito, you would just lift this in order to sip. So it's a cup that you can sip from. So it's really just to go ahead and bring it with you if you need it. So kami naman kasi, I work at home. We're gonna be using this at home. Ayan. So it looks very simple. And then there's just an on and off switch here. I would have to go ahead and find how to work this. And this is the start button. And then of course, if you open up the flap here, let's open up the flap. Right? Inside, it comes with this filter. So it's a reusable filter. You don't need to buy any of those paper filters anymore. Right? But it doesn't come with the scoop, which I think I saw on one of the other reviews that it did come with. But that's okay, we have our own scoop naman. And then of course it comes with this cup that you put in with the filter. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then it just goes on. So it's made of plastic. I'm a little worried. I hope it will last because I can feel na very magaan siya. So for the price of the coffee maker, as you can see, I can carry it even with my one hand, right? This I bought for 899 pesos for the portable personal coffee maker. And based on the reviews naman, it does this job. I was choosing between this and another one that was coming from China, which was prettier. But then again, it only made 125 ml of coffee. And honestly, for my husband and I, that's not enough. Because when we order from a coffee shop, it's usually, you know, the large size coffees. So this is definitely going to be perfect for us whenever we are going to make coffee. So I think it's pretty. And if you want me to feature a review on this, then let me know in the comments again below, and I will definitely make a video to review this wonderful and cute coffee maker. And that's it. So that is the unboxing of all the 4 packages that I had received today. And if you want to make sure that you can catch more of my videos of unboxing and also the first impressions, please subscribe, and also go ahead and click on that notification bell so that you receive all of my updates, and I'll try to do this weekly. That's depending on the delivery. Now again, if you like this video, do let me know in the comments below. If you have questions about the products, all of the links of where I bought the items today are going to be in my description box. So I hope that you join me here in this channel where you will be able to get to see great finds, unboxing videos, and first impressions from the items that I buy online to help guide you if you should buy it or not. Right? So thank you so much for watching, and till my next video.